On behalf of Aam Aadmi Party, we condemn the brutal attack on activist and social activist Rama Kankonkar. आम्ही आताच सांगा GMC कडे आसा आणि तांची हालत खूप म्हळ्यार इट लुक्स टू बी लायक अ अटेम्प्टेड मर्डर. They want to finish off Rama Kankonkar. They wanted to shut his voice off for good, and we condemn this. Rama Kankonkar जो आसा तो ST समाजाचो भुरगो आणि फक्त भुरगो न्ही, तो ST समाजाचो लिडरूय जावन आसा. आणि this attack is an attack on the entire ST समाज also. तुम्ही सगळे जाणा रामा काणकोणकर ॲक्टिविस्टूय आणि म्हाका दिसता असो अटॅक करून this seems to be like a message being sent to all activists की तुम्ही चढ उलयल्यार तुमची हालत अशीच जातली म्हणून. We condemn this attack, we condemn the people who are behind this attack, and we condemn the intention behind this attack, which is to terrorize the people of Goa and the activists of Goa and the ST समाज of Goa. आणि आम्ही डिमांड करता की जसे गव्हर्नमेंटान मात सुद्धा टाइम वेस्ट केल्या शिवाय वरां भितर जेन्ना एक कोणे तरी रामा काणकोराच्या अगेन्स्ट कसली तरी एक केस घाल्ली, वरां भितर तांणी रामा काणकोराक सोदून काडून ताका अरेस्ट केलो. Why was the BJP government so quick to arrest Rama Kankonkar when he had no history of any crimes or any sort of bad behavior? So we demand that just like you arrested Rama Kankonkar in a hurry, today he is the victim. You have to take immediate action, investigate and arrest his attackers within 24 hours. नाजाल्यार it will be very obvious in front of all the people of Goa की सरकार आणि सरकाराची यंत्रणा जे अटॅकर आसा तांकां कितें तरी प्रोटेक्ट करूंक सोदता काय, हो सगळ्या गोंयकाराच्या मनान प्रश्न येतलो. So we demand that within 24 hours you have to show results and put the people who have attacked Rama Kankonkar so brutally behind bars. And I want to give one message to Dr. Pramod Sawant, who is parading around as Home Minister. I say parading around because he is not doing the work of a Home Minister. I don't know if he knows what the work of a Home Minister is. It is definitely not to sit at home. That is not the work of a Home Minister to sit at home. You have to come out and make sure that the entire law and order machinery is working, which it is not working, and such attacks are being done with impunity in broad daylight on innocent young people like Rama Kankonkar. So we condemn this entire episode and we demand with Dr. Pramod Sawant that if you cannot handle this ministry, I think you should resign and sit at home. Because if you think that is the meaning of home ministry, that is the best option for you. Because today we only see you at inaugurations. तुम्ही फक्त एक इनॉग्रेशन मिनिस्टर जावन पडिल्ले आसा. आज सुद्धा खंयच्या तरी एक इनॉग्रेशन फंक्शनाक पळयले, व्हडलो तमाशा, ढोल ताशा नाच सगळं फक्त तमाशा. Only tamasha. There is only style in this government. There is no substance. तुम्ही कामा काहीच जायना. खंयचो तुमचो डिपार्टमेंट काढून पळयला तुम्ही फेल जाल्ले आसा. So if you feel that Home Minister's job is to sit at home, I think you should resign this ministry and sit at home. Again, we repeat our demand. Within 24 hours, we are expecting actions. Otherwise, people of Goa will take the next step.
Rama Kankonkaracher जाल्लो हल्लो is nothing short of complete failure of law and order machinery in Goa. फाटले वर्स देड वर्स जाले आमी बॉब मारून सांगता की सरकाराकडे या पोलीस मशिनरी चलना, पोलीस मशिनरी करप्ट जाल्ली आसा, पोलीस मशिनरी कोण भिना, पुलिसांक कोण भिना, सरकाराक कोण भिना. आणि आज जे तरेन आमी सांगताले की गोंय आज मिर्जापुरा पेक्षा खंयच कमी ना म्हणून गोंय इज टर्न इनटू मिर्जापूर. नाव वी आर रियलायझिंग दॅट दिस इज नथिंग ऑल सॉर्ट ऑफ गँग्स ऑफ वासेपूर ऑल्सो. जे मनीस पयलीं सोरयो आनी तलवारी घेवन भोंवताले ते आज गन्स घेवन भोंवपाक लागल्या. गन्स शूटआउट जाता, हे सगळें चलता आसतना सरकार न्हिदला. रामा काणकोणकराचेर जो हल्लो जालो तो हल्लो फक्त रामा काणकोणकराचेर न्ही तर ST समाजाच्या भुरग्यांचेर, गोंयकारांचेर, प्रत्येक एक्टिविस्टाचेर जो सरकारा विरुद्ध लढो लढता. म्हाका दिसता it is immediate need of Chief Minister that he should give up Home Ministry and it hand it over to somebody. In fact, there are some ministers जे ऑलरेडी बॉब मारता की आमच्या कडेन कांय ना म्हणून काम करपाक, तांकां दिवचे एटलीस्ट ते तरी काम करता जाल्यार पळोवया. कारण this completely shows that CM has no control as a Home Minister on the police department, and there is absolutely fearlessness among the people, among the criminals who have become so strong today that दनपारच्या 12-1 वराचेर ते एका एक्टिविस्टाचेर रस्त्याच्या मदीं हल्लो करता हातल्यानूच दिसून येता की सरकाराचो भंय क्रिमिनल्सांक उरलो ना. क्रिमिनल्स हे मोकाट फिरता कारण आज जो गोंयकार आसा सामान्य मनीस तो चड भिता.